Students, this is my lesson plan of social science submitted by Shalini Tiwari. Today's my topic is equality. Ask, before teaching you equality, I am going to ask some questions. Tell me the answer. Number one is, who lives in our society? Answer is, people live in our society. Number two, question number two, the opportunity for people must be. The opportunity for people must be. Answer is, the opportunity for people must be equal for both man or woman. Okay. Now the next question is, how is it possible to provide equal opportunity? How is it possible to provide equal opportunity? By giving equal respect to do work with equal opportunity. Okay. Today we will discuss about equality in detail. Equality, right to vote, recognizing dignity, equality in Indian democracy, issues of equality in other democracies. First point is equal right to vote. Political franchise or supply is the right to vote in public political election, although the term is sometimes used for any right to vote. In most democracies, eligible voters can vote in elections of representatives. Voting on issues by reformation may also be available. Next is recognizing dignity. Low caste people and children are get treated badly by the teachers in past, not now. They are bound to sweep the school because of his caste. Teacher hurt his dignity badly and made the students of low caste feel as they was less than equal to all other students in the school. Low caste students also deserve the same respect and dignity as everyone else. Okay. Next point is equality in Indian democracy. The two ways in India in which government has tried to implement the equality that is guaranteed in the constitution is first through laws and second through schemes to help disadvantaged communities. There are several laws in India that protect every person's right to be treated equally, and schemes are ensured to provide greater opportunity for poor people. Next point is issue of equality in other democracies. The America, Africa, people who are poor are came for work in America. They become slaves in front of white people. Black people are bound to do all the lower work, and for example, when they are traveling in bus, they have to sit at back seat or have to stand up from their seat. However, a white person wished to sit because of this civil rights movement in which Rosa Parks, America, women had fight for equality. So today we have discussed about equality. Now here student comment. on the following statements as true or false in chat box. Number one is women do not have to give their vote. Second is the government provide constitution and scheme for economically weaker section. Okay? Comment in the following statement as true or false in chat box, student. Okay? Now I am giving you homework. Write down in your notebook. Describe about the importance of equality in your own words. Okay? Thank you.